To another session of learning Python with me, getting data savvy in Python. So today's topic that we would be working on, we would be discussing is the dictionary. So what a dictionary is, like we discussed in the earlier sessions, which was data types in Python, we discussed what dictionary is, how dictionary is defined. So dictionary is nothing, it is basically like you can see over here, it's a key value pair. So the syntax for writing a dictionary is you define a variable, equate it to something, put curly brackets, and mention a key, then a value. Always remember, a dictionary cannot exist without keys. So this is, let's say we define our first dictionary over here, creating first dictionary. So in a dictionary, first we define, let's say we have a key called employee ID. I define the ID, give a value to it. It can have a string, it can have a number, it can have any data type, but the keys are always defined uh, in quotes, in quotes. So we have employee name, we have employee salary over here. So when I print the dictionary, I get something like this, which mentions all the key value pairs for me. Let's say I want to pick up only the employee name. So this is indexing, you can say. How we do indexing, how to get values from a dictionary for a particular key. So we use square brackets, give the name of the key for which we want the value. Let's say I want to get the employee name. So I know there is a key over there which is ename, and I print ename and I get the value to it, which is oven over here, that is mentioned in the dictionary. Similarly, let's take another example. Let's say we want to get the salary of the employee. We mention in square brackets esal in single quotes and then print it. We get 20,000, which is the salary. Now say I want to update a dictionary, update the existing key value pair in a dictionary. Let's say I want to update a key value pair in a dictionary. How to do that? We just pick up just like what we do in lists, we pick up the key and assign a new value to it. Let's say I picked up salary, which is the employee salary, and assigned 30,000 to it instead of 20,000. When I'll print this, my 20,000 gets updated to 30,000. This is how a normal update works. There is an update function as well. So d.update, dictionary.update is the syntax, where in parentheses we define a new key value pair. So we define esal altogether as 40,000, and when I print this, I get 40,000 as an employee salary updated into my dictionary using the update keyword. So you can update it directly as well, or you can use the update keyword and use the syntax to update any key value pair in a dictionary. Let's say I want to add a new key value pair to the dictionary. How that can be done? You define a key, assign a value to it. If it's a new key and a new value, it gets added to the dictionary as a new key value pair. Just like this. Like we were updating e-salary to 30,000. Let's say I add another value, D company, dictionary, square brackets, in single quotes I mention company and give it a value as Wipro. When I'll print this, my dictionary gets updated with a new value, which is company as Wipro. Let's say how to delete a value. So how to delete a key value pair. You just use delete, just like in dictionaries we use delete, list, and give an index, or the keyword or the variable name and the index. Here we define the key that we want to delete. A key cannot exist without a pair, so if I'm deleting a key, the value will also get deleted. So when I run this and when I check my dictionary again, the company is gone from it. There is no company over here. Let's say now I want to delete some value from the dictionary. This won't happen because there is no key defined. Let's say I want to delete oven. let's say delete oven. When I run this, oven is a value, it's not a key. So that's why it is giving me a key error that it cannot find oven over here. All the search that you can make in a dictionary is on the basis of the key. Let's say I want to sort the keys in a dictionary. So how to do that? We use how to sort keys in a dictionary. Sorted is a keyword that we use to sort the keys in a dictionary. We just go ahead and say sorted. In parentheses, we pass the variable name and hit enter. Shift enter. We get EID, ESAL, ENAME. EID, ENAME, ESAL all in alphabetical order. Let's say to understand it in a better way, let's say I have these fruits in the dictionary. So I have apple, I have strawberry, I have cabbage as keys. When I'll sort this, it will get all the all the keys in the dictionary sorted in an alphabetical order. So first I would get apple, then C, cabbage, then S, which is strawberry. So let's run sorted D1. See, I get apple, cabbage, strawberry. It's in a sorted manner. Let's get back to our original dictionary, which is employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. How to check out what keys are there in my dictionary without even looking at the dictionary. Let's say somebody has given me, you have a dictionary D, tell me what all keys are there in your dictionary. So just type d.keys with parenthesis and just run it. You'll get the list of keys that are present in your dictionary. Now if you just want to check out what values are there, so instead of keys in d.keys, do key.values followed by parenthesis and run it. You'll get all the values that are present in a dictionary. If you want to check out what are the key value items, key value pairs in your dictionary, you just run d.items. It will give you all the key value pairs in the form of a list present in the dictionary. See, I get EID, its value 1234. I get ENAME, its value oven. I get ESAL, its value 40,000. So that's how various operations are present in a dictionary. That's how various operations and various steps or various functions, various keywords work in a dictionary. That's all on dictionary from my end. We'll continue in further sessions in data savvy with Python hereafter.